Oh, oh, man. Oh! 7 years of bad luck, pal.
I ain't done nothing you not done.
Oh!
Black Mask, put a bounty on my head. Where is he?
Where is he?
Keep tabs on him in geezer with a grudge. You're not a popular bloke in this town.
Well, no shit. Okay. He's tiny.
Time. Wait. Lacey Towers. There was a murder.
What's that?
It was supposed to be his same house. But Black Mask, he's got problems of his own, I'd say. Someone broke in there.
Oh no! Who's that, I wonder? Could it possibly be Deathstroke? Oh, and look where I am, back in the arena. Boss battle number 3. This boss battle.
The game is over before it even begins.
I'm not playing games, Slade.
Right, there's an achievement to do without getting hit and without like ruining your combo. I don't think I'm going to do that this time because I can't remember how to do it. But I want just watch. Oh no! Oi! Oi! Wait! Get over! No. Okay, we're going that way. Wait! Oh, counter! Oh! Gee! Counter! Hey! Okay! Oh! Counter! I don't remember this at all. Oh no! And we're going this way now. Oh no! Okay! Oh! Okay! I don't know what's happening anymore. And we're going this way. Counter! Knee to the face! Oh! Okay.
That was a mistake.
Was it? Oh, where you at? Where have you got? Oh, no! Keep blocking. Block, 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 block. Oh, and bye-bye. Beat down. Take him down. Oh, God. That jaw, though. Rawr. Okay. Where are you?
You'll need to be faster.
Will you? Oh, wait, who said that? I wasn't paying attention. But oh no! Double cut. Oh. Oi, no. That way. Oh, okay, we're going that way. Oh god. Oi, no, counter. Oh no! Oh damn it. Well, I already got the achievement anyway, doesn't matter. Who are you? Oh, and you're going that way.
You
Wait.
thought that would work?
Did I? I don't know. Oh, well that's my chest. Oh no. Okay. Get over here. Oh god. Boop. Boop in the face. Ring. Boop. Boop. I'm just gonna keep saying boop because that's all I can say right now. Woo! Boop, boop, boop. Oh no! Say, oh jeez! Uh oh. Time for the beatdown. You see why I invested in combat armor now? And see that health bar go down. Take it down to half, I guess? Just more than half. Break that staff. Do it. Oh, the metallic clank. And he's got a sword. Never mind.
Denied.
Denied. Okay, thanks. Slade. Okay. Oh. Uh-oh. Let's do this right this time. Over there. Coming for you, bitch. Oh. Oh, take him out. Nope. Come on. Oh. Ah. Oh. Okay. That's not good. That's not good. That's not good. Oh. Such a cool fight scene.
Almost.
No, you don't. Honestly, if this wasn't actually gameplay as well, it would still make a cool scene. Like if I was just watching this.
Tenacious.
because it's just like them rolling around. It's a bit too long, I think. Oh, I missed it. Damn it! I pressed it too early. Right. Right. Oh. Okay. Woo! Grab it and throw it. Run, 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 and punch.
A flawed technique.
Oh. Is this over here?
Not such a pushover.
What? Come on, come at me, bro. Mash, 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 mash. Potato. Beat down. Here we go. This will be the end now, I reckon. Yeah. Oh. Uh-oh. And cutscene.
It's over, Slade. What are you?
That clearly missed. But now I put you in the face.
Nice seeing you, Batman. Feel free to let yourself out.
Ooh.
I can't let Penguin get away. There's more I need to ask him.
I'm grabbing something now, aren't I? What did I pick up? So yeah, that's Deathstroke done, so that's 3 of the assassins down. And we're an hour and a half in. Remote claw. Oh god, yeah, I remember this thing now. I can hear people talking, and it makes me nervous because I don't know who they're talking to, or who even is talking.
Use Deathstroke's device to get up to the balcony.
Yeah, you can. Okay, right, I looked at it enough. Remote claw. You. There. I'll make a tightrope. I can then hook onto the tightrope. Woo! Where am I going? I need to go into the balcony. I don't know why I did that, but okay. Completely pointless. Here I am. Let me guess. Locked. Yeah.
You'll have more luck getting into a
Oh.
nut skivvies than getting into this room.
Oh, for God's sake.
Beat it a bit harder. Really
God's sake, Sam.
feel it.
Shut up.
Well, as you can see, I got me hands full. Have a Merry Christmas and piss off.
Ah. Oh, whoops.
Alfred, see if you can find
Okay.
any information on a murder at Lacey Towers.
Looks like the police are
Can I
on the
jump
scene
down?
now, sir. Oh,
No.
and this is interesting.
I'm
They're
stuck
saying
here.
Black Mask is the victim.
Black Mask.
Black Mask dead. I'm on my way there now.
Yeah, as if. As if Black Mask is going to be dead. Let's get outside then. So yeah, remember that the gasm that I pointed out earlier? Here? Yes, well now I have the remote claw.
Use the device I took from Deathstroke.
Never mind, I'll let Batman point it out. I can use that to there, and now I can walk across. I also can I use the back
Alfred,
claw while I'm here?
get GCPD to take a look
No.
at the final offer. More to Dixon Docks. They'll
Really?
find Slade
Okay,
Wilson
fine, I'll come back to that later when I
them, along with some
have the
Penguin's illegally obtained
thing.
weapons.
Another anonymous tip. Will do,
Can I
sir.
not go this way? No. Oh god. Yeah, you get another thing that lets me do that. Never mind. I'm talking out my ass again, I don't know what I'm saying. This way. Is there anyone here? No, but someone's on telly.
Citizens of Gotham,
Anarchy.
your cries for help have been heard. I am Anarchy, voice of the people, here to save you from the plague of corruption that now infests this once proud city. Those hired and elected to keep us free and safe won't lift a finger. And why would they? They've been bought and paid for, encouraged to turn a blind eye. If they won't act, I will. At dawn's first light, the sources of Gotham's ruin will be destroyed. Now, back to your regularly scheduled programming.
Lovely.
There isn't enough going on tonight.
Yeah, you said it, Batman. That saving screen, though. Anyway.
Hurry to Lacey Towers before the cops destroy all the evidence from the crime scene Penguin mentioned.
I was hoping to get a minute of
Right, no. Never mind. No, wait, what? Was someone talking to me? For God's sake, is there anyone around?
About crime and violence, greed and vengeance. But it's also a story of redemption, of second chances, of change.
Okay.
I've planted 3 bombs where Gotham's corruption is at its strongest.
Great.
But unlike those I fight to overthrow, I believe in choice. So, I offer you one. Let them detonate, or stop them. Your actions will determine what I do with you.
Fantastic. Okay, hang on. Oh, well, thanks. And on that note, that should be enough for now anyway. I've been playing for a while, my head's starting to hurt. So, I hope you're enjoying this so far. Yeah, I will keep playing through this because I do enjoy playing these games. I like making videos, I like talking. Although I don't really have much to say. Anyway, thank you guys for watching so far, if you have watched. And I'll talk to you guys later. Bye!